Welcome to our YouTube channel Software Testing Sapiens, bringing to you another requested topic, that is software testing jobs in India. So before we get into this video, please hit the subscribe button below and click on that bell icon to get the future notifications for our YouTube videos. So let's get started. So what you have to do is just open Google and type software testing sapiens. Okay, and click on the first link, that is softwaretestingsapiens.com. So in last video we have seen work from home software testing jobs, and like as I said, like if you are a new user, just please click on this allow button to get the notification in your mobile. If you click on allow for the computer or laptop, then also you will get notifications. Just click on allow, and to get the daily newsletters for our post, you can enroll to this form. Just enter your name and enter your valid email address and click on the subscribe button. Okay, so in this menu option you can see interview preparation, courses, job field, insurance and contacts. So these are the options are there. So in job field you have to select QA experienced jobs. Just click on it, and you can see there are multiple job openings. We have QA experienced jobs for freshers, experienced jobs for pan India. Okay, I am clicking one of them. I'll open this one. Okay, and you can see table of content. So this thing made it easy. Suppose if you want to specifically search job in Bangalore or Chennai location, or Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, or NCR, so you can just click on any of the locations. Suppose I want to see into Pune, Mumbai, click on it. See, you will see the Pune, Mumbai jobs, right? And here you can search like which skill set you are matching, same, and again you will find the HR details, contact details like mobile number or email addresses. You have to click on this email, then you can attach your resume and send it to you. So yeah, that's it. Let's get started with our some top jobs with our representation. Yeah. I hope you have liked our video. If you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon. And if you have anyone in your connections or in your circle, colleague, if anyone is looking for job change, then please share our YouTube videos with them. And also you can find our website and LinkedIn profiles, Instagram profiles into the description of this video. If you have any topics in your mind you want us to cover, then please comment down below and let us know, so in future upcoming videos we'll work on it and we'll give our best. So thanks for watching this video till the end.